In this new session, we are explaining exporting data from our program. At the beginning, let's create a piece of data. We name it data equal values 1977, 79, 2013, 14, blank, and 2015. That's our data. We can use write.csv function to saving our data as comma separated. Inside bracket, we have the name of data, comma, the name of file, dot format of file, which is CSV. In the same way, we can use write.csv2 for saving as semicolon separated. We have write.table for saving as text file, write.table, the name of data, file equal data dot txt, comma zip equal tab, row.name is equal true. We can zip the data by using write.csv, name of data, file equal bz file, in bracket, the name of file, data, for example, data underscore zipped dot csv dot bz2. Now, this data is saved and zipped in my directory. Save as R data. Let's say we have A, B, C, D, and E object. We can save them together as R data, then reload it in the new session. At the beginning, let's define A, B, C, D, and E. We use save in the bracket A, B, C, D, and E, file equal test.rdata. RData is used to save multiple R objects together. In the new session, we can load it by using load function, the path, and the name of RData. If you have only one object, you can save it as RDS file by using save RDS capital function, name of data, comma, we name it, for example, first data.rds. We can restore it by using read RDS function. Also, we can save our workspace, and our workspace is current working environment, which is include user-defined objects such as vectors, matrices, data frames, lists, and functions. We use save.image, file equal the name of file, dot rdata. In the new session, we can load our workspace by using load and the name of workspace.rdata. That's the end of our session.